Hi guys, I have a good old-fashioned haul for you today. It's not a massive haul, didn't go crazy this time. I just bought the bare necessities, so I hope you're interested. The first couple of things were from Mango, and the first item I picked up is a basic grey t-shirt. It says, "Yes, I overthink, but I also overlove." Describes me perfectly. This is a really soft cotton grey tee. It's just your basic shirt that you can style with denims, trousers, skirts, just about anything. And this cost me 1,290 and it's a size medium. I don't like to wear things that are overly fitted, especially my basic shirts, my t-shirts. So I just bought one size up. It's not too droopy on the shoulders, but it's still comfortable enough around my waist. So that's the first purchase. The next thing I picked up is a really deep burgundy cashmere sweater. It's cable knit, it's quite soft, it's not very chunky, it's quite thin and comfortable but still warm. It's got extremely long sleeves and I love that in any knitwear because it helps keep your fingers warm as well if you want to pull it down and make it really cozy. This is my new favorite color. I love everything that's this color off late, this really deep burgundy with a hint of purple in it. It's really luxurious feeling. I bought this in a size small. This was the smallest size they had, and although the sleeves are quite fitted, the body itself is quite loose, so it feels really comfortable, not something really figure hugging. So my style again. This cost me 2,990. I would say it's on the higher side, but then it's knitwear and knitwear does cost you that much, so I'm quite happy with the purchase, especially because of how nice and snug it feels on me. As you can see, it's not quite long, so you can leave it as it is, but you could also tuck it in and just leave the rest out to hang like this, and I think it looks quite chic as well. The last thing I picked up from Mango is this really comfy blend of linen and cotton paperback trousers. It's got really long wide legs on it. It's a comfortable fit, it feels like good material, and I got the size medium. Personally, when I wear high-waist trousers, whether it's cotton trousers like this or jeans, I like pairing it with a denim jacket over top, no matter what I'm wearing inside, whether it's a shirt or a cotton tee, because I feel like it really elevates the outfit and just makes you look very put together. I've styled these trousers with a really bright mustard yellow shirt, but you can go pretty neutral, even style it with beige, black, even white if you're going to wear a bright jacket on the top. I've just paired on the same trousers with the grey t-shirt that I showed you, just to show you how even something as neutral as grey goes with trousers like this, paired on with a really bright jacket. This is a shirt actually from Marks & Spencer that I picked up last winter, but you can even match different prints, nothing too busy. So even if you wear a shirt that's so patterned, it still goes because it's not distracting you from the entire outfit. This is neutral, this is semi-neutral, and this is the pop of color. So that was all the damage I did at Mango. I don't have too much more to show you. I got this one shirt from Levi's. It's a button-up baby pink with a mix of lavender with pretty blue flowers all over it. It's your basic full-sleeved shirt. You could also roll up the sleeves and make it look even more casual than this. It's really soft fabric, so it sits quite well, doesn't feel too stiff around the neck or around the shoulders, and it doesn't bunch up too much around the waist. I think it looks quite flattering. So if you like lavender or pink or any floral print, this is definitely one to get. I also went to Bath & Body Works and picked up a candle. This is in sea salt and linen, and the scent itself reminds me of a beach resort, you know, the whole sea salt, sand and fresh linen that they keep in the hotels. This smells exactly like that. So if you ever want your home to feel like you're in a luxurious resort, I would say get this scent. It's beautiful, and even once you're done with the entire candle, just look at this bottle. This will style any area you keep it in, so it's not a bad purchase at all. And along with this, I also bought a candlelight extinguisher. Looks like a coaster. It has a marbled finish and it says pretty and witty on the top. You can place this extinguisher right on the candle when it's lit and it turns it off immediately, cuts off oxygen, but I actually bought it because it styles any tabletop that you put it on. You can also put it on the fridge because it has a magnetic back. I like how you can put it to so many good uses, and this was the only design I think they had. They had another color which didn't look all that bright and cheery like this one does. And that's about all the purchases I made. Thank you so much for joining me on my mini haul. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, do give me a like. It would help my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.